Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Students, today I am going to start with a new chapter of class 11th statics, and it is the third chapter of stats, and the name of chapter is census and sample methods of collection of data. So today we will going to discuss census method, suitability, merits and demerits. So starting with census method, what is census method? Census method is that method in which data are collected covering each and every item of the universe or population relating to the problem under investigation. This means you are not collecting the sample to represent that entire universe. You are collecting each and every item of that particular universe. Census method implies complete enumeration of the universe population. Census of population is the most suitable example of the census method of statistical inquiry. For the estimation of country's population, house-to-house inquiry is conducted, and even people living at roadside are also contacted. In India, census of population is conducted every 10 years, and the last census was conducted in the February 2011. Now, what are its suitability? Where this type of method is most suitable and most applicable? Census method is suitable particular for such statistical investigation which have small size of population, widely diverse items in the population, requirement of intense examination of different items, high degree of accuracy and reliability is required, which means when the information you require should be completely authentic, accurate and reliable. Now what are its merits and demerits? Studying with merits, the principal merits of census method are as follows: reliability and accuracy. Results based on census method are accurate and highly reliable. This is because each and every item of the population is studied and included. Less biased. Results based on census method are less biased. Extensive information collected through the census method is quite exhaustive and therefore more meaningful because of all items of universe are examined. Such of diverse characteristic, by using census method one can study diverse characteristic of the entire universe. Study of complex investigation. When items in a universe are of complex nature and it is necessary to study each item, only census method can produce the desired result. Last is indirect investigation. Census method can be successfully used in indirect investigation relating to unemployment, poverty, corruption, etc. Demerits. There are certain demerits which this method possesses. Let's begin. Costly. Census method is very costly and is therefore generally not used for ordinary investigation. Only the government or some big institution can afford to use this method, and that too for a specific purpose only. Second is large manpower. Census method requires large number of manpowers, enumerators. Training of a large number of enumerators becomes essential, which is a very difficult process. Third is not suitable for large investigation. If the universe comprises a large number of items, then it may not be possible to cover each and every item. If the universe comprises a large number of items, then it may not be possible to cover each and every item of that particular universe or population. Census method becomes practically inoperative in such condition. This means when the investigation is too large, this system of census is not practically be applicable on that condition. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.